Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Audi A6 C7. I'm going to share with you when you going to start your car, it's not going to start. So what is happening is at this time my key fob is malfunction and I'm not able to start my car. And I'm going to share with you how you can start your car with malfunction key which is not functioning. A bad key basically is not functioning well. And let's get started. So I'm in my Audi, and if we leave the key close by and if I start it and it does not do anything, and if I press it again, and this is the message display on the screen panel that it does not recognize hold against the marked area steering wheel, which is right here. So the first step will be we're going to press it, the start engine. So now we're going to put the key in front of. As you see, it started. And it's all started, everything functioning normal. And if we look at right now, it shuts off the engine. So as you see that the engine shuts off, but it does not start. If your start button is not working, then with the help of the key, you can put it up here and you can start your car. So I hope this video helped you out. And if it does, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.